Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with TransUnion UK Credit Score Review My Usage Experience. TransUnion UK Credit Score Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive view of your credit score and report from TransUnion, one of the three major credit reference agencies in the UK. It's primarily aimed at individuals who want to understand their creditworthiness, monitor their credit report for errors, and improve their credit score over time. Key features include access to your credit score, detailed credit report, and potentially personalized advice on improving your credit health. Their website provides details on specific features and subscription options. Their website highlights the ease of use and the clear presentation of your credit information. They emphasize pricing transparency with no hidden fees and various subscription options to suit different needs. They don't explicitly mention a specific technology, but the service is clearly online-based. Availability is nationwide for UK residents with a valid address. You can check your eligibility and sign up through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using TransUnion UK Credit Score Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply created an account using my email address and verified my identity with a few simple security questions. The interface was very clean and intuitive, everything was clearly labeled and easy to navigate. I found the detailed report extremely helpful, especially the section highlighting factors affecting my score. I appreciated the clear explanations of each factor and how it impacted my overall score. The performance was excellent, the website loaded quickly and the report generated instantly. I had a quick question about a specific entry on my report, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was pretty good. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented complex credit information. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized tips and recommendations on how to improve my credit score. One minor drawback was the slightly limited customer support options. Email only felt a bit old-fashioned in this day and age. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with TransUnion UK Credit Score Review My Usage Experience. It provided exactly what I was looking for: a clear, comprehensive understanding of my credit situation and valuable advice on how to improve it. That's my overview of TransUnion UK Credit Score Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.